What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, I'm linking up with homie Ryan. We're supposed to be going to go to a couple shops, have a couple things checked out, because we have the actual Nissan Infiniti meet that's going to be hosted by Fitted Squad. That's going to be on Sunday. It'll be on the 23rd. So definitely, if you are in the Central Florida area or even surrounding areas, want to come out, definitely come on out. Everybody's welcome, but the cars of choice will be the Nissans and Infinitis. So definitely come on out. Alright, so as you can see, the car itself, mine was dead when I got back from my little trip when I went to Tennessee here. It's good so far though. Just a quick little jump. We're going to check everything, make sure everything's good. But yeah, the actual meet itself is going to be at Speed Zone Orlando. We got permission to host it there, even though they're closed on a Sunday. We just got to respect the location. That way we can do these type of events again in the future. But yeah, it should be a pretty good turnout. We already have quite a few people saying they're coming. So definitely, if you're interested, link will be in the description below for the event on Facebook, and we'll also have the address as well. So definitely, if you're interested in coming on out and meeting me and the squad, feel free. Getting a quick little hose down. So we ended up going back to the place where we got the wheels done, vent rim repair, because we had some paint peeling off of 3 of the wheels, and we had a hole in one of them, and so we took them back up there. But we definitely have some issues with them. I don't want to get into it completely, but they ain't really doing exactly what they need to do for it. So I don't know if we're gonna be dealing with them again, but we'll see how everything turns out with this situation in general. Alright, just getting back here, see if Ryan's car is done. This is dope. I don't even know exactly what this is, but it is dope. Oh, Land Cruiser. I said I thought it was an old Land Cruiser, but I wasn't sure. They was putting that tarp up over that when it was raining. Alright, so we get back. Got taken care of, looking good. He's rolling out. Met some new homies over here. That Lexus that was out front, that I think I recorded it. Definitely looking good. So hopefully we can collab in the future as well. But that's pretty much gonna do it for this part. I did want to show the speaker itself. So far we've been pretty good. It hasn't been moving around a lot. We don't have anything to really keep it in place. It's just heavy enough to where it ain't really getting pushed around. So yeah, we definitely got to figure out what else we're gonna be doing. Doing a headliner, expanding that out some more. Not sure exactly what killed the battery, but the car hadn't been turned on in almost a week, so I don't know, but I'm gonna keep an eye on everything. Haven't had any issues starting it back up. But yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. Don't forget, link in the description for the merch as well as for the meet that's coming up. So I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.